What's wrong, Barbie?
Nobody showed up at my party.
Oh, well, don't be sad. I think your party just needs a little pizzazz. Let me help you. Abracadabra, make the decorations appear.
Wow, this looks amazing.
Now you'll have lots of friends at your party. Let's go check it out.
Thank you, thank you.
Oh, you're welcome. But before we invite our friends over, I think we should change into some clothes that are a little more patriotic.
Okay.
Let's do it. 3, 2, 1. Woo! Barbie, are we wearing buckets? Is that a dolphin on your arm? Oh my goodness! Ah! Are you wearing a sock and am I wearing a grandma sweater? Okay, something went wrong. We have to try this again.
Yeah, look at my hat. Is this your hand?
What? Is that your foot? Ah! Let's try this again. Wow, look at our outfits. We look ready for the party. Oh, do you hear that? I think our first guest is coming.
Yay!
Yay! Oh, I think somebody's here.
Check out my sweet wine.
Eric? Are you in a roller skate? I've never seen anyone on a roller skate before. Whoa, Eric! All right, Eric, come on over to our party. This party sure looks great, but I think we're missing somebody.
Yeah, what's up?
Hey, y'all, I'm here, and I brought my baby, too. Oh, no, my baby! Oh, that's great. Thanks for coming. You can sit down right over here. Wow, this sure looks great, but where's all the food?
Let's start with the punch. It's time to do it. First up, we're gonna add the ice to make the punch. Now it's time for the flavors. Lastly, we're gonna add the strawberry. It looks great! Time to go take it back to the picnic table.
Now it's time for me to make the salad. Let's put all the ingredients in the bowl. Whoa, be careful, Barbie. Oh, watermelon, I love watermelon.
Don't eat it. Tomatoes.
Pickles in a salad?
It's my special recipe. Time to add a knife.
A knife in the salad? Barbie, we can't eat that? Wow, that salad looks great. Now all we're missing is the hot dogs.
Oh, they're done. There you go, guys. They're done.
Wow, Eric, these hot dogs and hamburgers look great. To make the hamburgers, you need to add the bun, the patty, lettuce, tomato, and the top bun. Oh, that is one perfect hamburger. Oh my goodness, these hamburgers and hot dogs look so good. Let's dig in. Wait a minute. Where's Eric? Eric, where are you? Let's go find him.
I'm gonna eat all their food. That was delicious.
But I think I see Eric over there. Let's go. Eric?
What are you doing?
What are you doing?
Playing a putty?
You found putty? Wow. This is awesome.
Hello.
What? Is that pizza? Hey, is there anyone with the food? I sure hope something didn't get the food.
What happened?
Oh no! What happened to all the food? It's gone! But Barbie, that's okay because we still have our fireworks. Okay guys, here are our fireworks. And remember to always have a grown-up help you with fireworks.
Wow!
Wow! This This is awesome!
It's like sunset.
Wow! Barbie, what do you think?
It's cool. They're so fun, Barbie.
This is so awesome. I just
Sparkling.
love 4th of July.
Sparkling glitters.
Oh, I think the big fireworks are starting now. Let's sit down and watch them. Oh, here they go.
Whoa.
Wow!
So cool.
Barbie? Did you just fly away? Wow, look at that one, Barbie.
Yeah. Oh, there's a heart-shaped one.
Wow, these are just beautiful. Oh, I just love 4th of July. This is great. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you later. Bye!